Hi, welcome back. In this video I want to demonstrate how easy it can be to link up an external editor within the Cypress Test Runner. This will allow you to quickly move from the Cypress Test Runner to your chosen editor. In this video I'll be using the IntelliJ IDE, but you could use Visual Studio Code or any other external editor if you wish. The process might be slightly different in that you may have to specify a file path to your chosen application. So I'm going to run the npx cypress open command, which we've run in our previous videos. I still have it set up for end-to-end testing, so that's the option that I'll be selecting, and we're going to continue testing within Chrome. Cypress Test Runner has now opened, and there's more than one way that you can set an external editor. So when you're on this view, you can see here it tells you how many test or spec files it's matched. If you select that button, you can then select the cypress config.js file, and here it will ask you to select your chosen editor. The drop down options within here will be the same in the other two places you can set this option. So for now I'm just going to close this, and I'm going to go to the settings and then expand device settings, and once again you have your external editor and your drop down. The other place you can set this is within your test spec file. So I've got a test that is expected to fail, and here you can see that the test failed, and it's given us a link to open within our external editor. So if I select that link, again you've got your options for choosing your external editor. I'm going to close that for now, and I'm just going to scroll to the top of our test run, and you can see here we have our before each block, and when you hover over that row you can see the option to open in IDE. So if I select that, again it gives you your drop down list of options, and if I close that once more, we've got the same options when you hover over your test body. I'm going to select the IntelliJ IDEA and then save changes. And you can see now that it's taken me to this id block. If I go back and select the before each and open in IDE, you can see it's taken me to that before each block. What you can also do is select this link here where your test has failed, and you can see that it's taken us to that step within the test. If you need to, you can change your IDE by going to device settings and changing whichever one you wish. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much.